Welcome guys. Today we're going to see Python daily challenge solutions. In this, the question is we have to write a Python program in order to check if the given number is prime or not. So here I'm going to take input values as 7 and 10. By compiling the given sort of code, I'm going to get the output as 7 as a prime number and 10 as not a prime number. So the methodology I've used here is primality test, or it is also called as trial division method, where I have to give an input number n and have to check whether it is evenly divisible by any prime number between 2 and n minus 1, such that the division leaves no remainder. Before starting with the code, let me give a brief introduction about what is a prime number. A prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So let me give an example. So let us take a number 10. So in this case, now the number 10 has the factors of 2 such as 2, 5 and 10. So as per the definition of the prime number, the number 10 is not a prime number. So let us take another set of numbers like 3, 7, 11, 13 and 17. So, as per the definition of the prime numbers, these set of numbers are prime numbers because these set of numbers are divisible by 1 and the number itself. So, let us take another example. Let us take the number to be 7. So, this is the logic which I'm going to use in my program. So, I'm going to divide the number by 2. You could ask me why I'm starting from 2, because every number is divisible by 1. So, I'm going to start from the number 2. So I'm going to divide the number from 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have to stop always num minus 1 in this case. The number should be divided from num minus 1. So in this case, the num value is equal to 7. So I'm going to stop my division from 7 minus 1 and 6. So here I'm going to stop from 6. So in this case, if the divisible number is equal to 0, then I'm going to print it as not a prime, or else I'm going to print it as prime. So let us see in the Python IDE code what I'm going to write. So here I'm going to write a code in Python IDE. So let us take the number value to be around 7. So I'm using a for loop. Let me explain this program. So here I've taken the number to be 7. So I've used a for loop, where the for loop, and I've used a counter variable I, and the range of this loop is from 2 to num. So always the range takes from num minus 1. In this case, the num value is 7. So the range of the counter variable will be from 2 to 6. So always will take from num minus 1. So here the condition is if num modulo 2 is equal to 0. In this condition, this case, the num value is equal to 7. So 7 modulo 2 is equal to 0, which is a false condition. So what happens is the else part gets executed, and I'm going to get 7 as a prime number. So let me run this code. Sorry guys, have not used enrich. It's also keyword. So I have missed here in what's the keyword. So let us run the code again. So here you could see 7 is a prime number where I've used so you could see 7 is a prime number as I'm getting in the Python shell screen. So I'm going to get the output as 7 is a prime number. So let us take another number as 10. So what happened if we take number as to be 10? So in this case, the I value gets printed from the loop runs from 2 to num, that is num minus 1. So the loop runs from 2 to 9. The range of this function is from 2 to 9. So what happens here is the num value becomes 10. So 10 modulo 2 is equal to 0, which is true condition. The condition is true. So it's going to print not a prime number, whereas 10 is not a prime number. So what happens? So what happens after this? A break statement is given. So what is the use of this break statement is? This break statement is what happens here is after printing this not a prime, this for loop gets terminated. So that is the reason we are using this break statement. And another advantages of this break statement is when we print it as if we get 10 as a not a prime. If you've seen before, 10 modulo 2 is equal to 0, the condition is satisfied, so I'm going to print not a prime. So here 10 is not a prime. So if the number is not a prime, for me it's not any necessary condition for me to check again for the number to be prime. So in this case num is 10, so I have found it to be not a prime number. There is no any necessary condition for me to again go for the else part. So that is the use of this break statement. So let me run this code again. So here you could see 10 is not a prime number. So that's all guys. This is a simple Python code to check if a given number is prime or not. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to CodeChef BIT chapter. Thank you.